I've been waiting for this. I've been waiting for it, and it's here. A box that's too big for the frame. It's been a little while, but we have our next one. Oh, man. What is in the box? What is in the box? I don't know. Actually looks like multiple things. Here's one. Packing material. Here's two. Anything else? No, that's it. All right. What is this? What is this? I have no idea. Travel game. What? All right, whatever that is. Tactical travel bag. Oh, man. And listen, anything that's tactical, first of all, it's tactical, so whatever. Anything that's tactical with the flag on it, you know it's legit. I can't wait to review it. You want to see the review, head over to Stuff Dads Need on YouTube.